So today we are studying a new chapter, and a new chapter is lesson number 12, that is gender. So first we'll study all the 4 kinds of gender, and then we'll go one by one with the rules that how are they formed. Okay. So now the first one is your masculine gender. So let's define it. What is a masculine gender? A noun or a pronoun that refer to a male character or member of a species. That is your masculine gender. Or we can say that the names of all male persons or animals are said to be of the masculine gender. As examples, you can see boy, man, brother, bull, lion, actor, king, hero. Now you can see in the example, he and him is also given, because when we are changing the gender of a noun, we have to change the pronouns also. So if you are using men in a sentence, so for that, what are you going to use? He and him. If you are using woman, then you are going to use she and her. Now, second is your feminine gender. A noun or a pronoun that refers to a female character or member of a species. Again, we can say that the names of all female persons or animals are said to be of the feminine gender, like girl, woman, sister, cow, lioness, actress, queen, heroine, and again you can see she and her is given. Now, if a noun has a suffix ESSINE or ETTE, it is a feminine. What is suffix, what is prefix, and what is syllable, that I am going to explain when we'll study about the rules. Okay. Next comes your common gender. What is a common gender? A noun or a pronoun that can either be female or male. They are common genders like parent, child, student, servant, friend, cousin, member, teacher, they and them. Now see, parent can be a male also, it can be a and it can be a female also. Again, same with child, either boy or girl, student, servant. So when anything is used for common, then it is a common gender. Or we can say nouns which may be used for both males and females are said to be of the common gender. Next is your neuter. A noun or a pronoun that is neither female nor male. They are your neuter gender. Or you can say if it is lifeless, it is a neuter gender. Or one more definition we can give. Things without life cannot be either male or female. Hence, the names of such things are said to be of the neuter gender. Examples: room, chair, pen, tree, book, star, lake, car, it, and paper. So now we have studied about the 4 genders: masculine for males, feminine for females, neuter for lifeless, or you can say nouns which are used for things which do not have life. Okay. And common, which is either used for male or female. So now we'll study about the rules. How can we change masculine gender to feminine gender? Now, rule number 1 is saying that when you want to change a masculine gender into feminine gender, some genders, they have a different word. Like if I say for father, father is a masculine gender. So here we are not adding any letters to make it feminine. The word in feminine is totally changed. Father, mother, uncle, aunt, boy, girl, brother, sister, and so on. So this is the first rule where we use a completely different word to make it feminine. Now rule number 2 is saying by adding a syllable, and in the bracket you can see it's written ESSINE Trix, A, etc. Now, what is a syllable? When we are talking about syllable, in this we should know what is a syllable. So syllable is what? It is a sound of vowel, and vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So syllable is a sound of a vowel that is created when pronouncing the letters A, E, I, O, U. Again, I'm saying a syllable is a sound of a vowel. 5 vowels are there. A, E, I, O, U. That is created when pronouncing the letters A, E, I, O, U. For example, when I say poet, so the feminine becomes poetess. So again, when I am adding ESS, there is a sound of vowel E there. Same host, hostess, waiter, waitress. So you can see the sound of vowel E here. Next is when you want to change from masculine to feminine, you are dropping the vowel of the masculine ending. How we can understand? See, here it is given actor, ACTOR. So when I am changing it into feminine, it's becoming actress. ESS I am adding here, but I am dropping this. There is no O here. What have I done? I have dropped it. So my spelling is becoming ACTR plus ESS. So it's becoming actress. Next again, emperor. Again, there is a vowel here. So what am I doing? I am dropping this. So my spelling is becoming EMPEROR, and the feminine is empress. So what have I done? I have dropped these letters. Main is vowel EMPRESS, and it is becoming empress. Same is with prince, master, and so on. Now the third one in this only, let's see some transformations where we add suffix. Suffix and prefix. What are suffix? Suffix are a group of letters that are placed at the end of a word to make a new word. And prefix is some letters which are placed at the beginning of the word to make a new word with a different meaning. So here again we are adding like suffix ine, a-trix to form feminine gender. So like if I want to change masculine into feminine, it is becoming hero plus ine. It is means I have added these 3 letters. So hero is becoming heroine, executor, executrix, sultan, sultana, don, donna, signor, signora, and so on. So again, third rule, I'll come to the third rule. By substituting a feminine word for a masculine in compound noun. Compound noun I told you before also when we studied about number, that when 2 words are there, then it makes and it gives a different meaning. Like we studied there in compound noun, 2 words making a single word, and it is giving a different meaning. So like here we can see there are 2 words, milkman. Okay, so here the noun is changing: milk, maid, land, lord, land, lady, stepson, stepdaughter, great uncle, great aunt, schoolmaster, school mistress. So what is changing? You can see here only those words are changing which are either masculine or feminine. So all these words are what? They are what? Like milk, it can't be masculine or feminine. Men can be a masculine because, and we have to change it from singular to plural. Sorry, from masculine to feminine. So man is here masculine. Again, Lord is masculine. Son, men, uncle, masters. So we are changing only these words which are masculine. We can't change milk, no, because milk is not a masculine word. So we are changing what? We are changing masculine words into or nouns into feminine nouns like milkmaid, landlady, stepdaughter, mankind, womankind, great uncle, great aunt, and so on. Now again, one more rule is there that the pronouns they and them, they can be masculine, they can be feminine, or they can be neuter. So how we can study about them? We can study with the help of the given example. The boys have just returned home. So when we are talking about the plural, boys are plural. So what are we adding here? We have added they. So now we are replacing the boys with the plural they. They must be hungry. Give them something to eat. So here boys are what? Masculine. So we have used they and them in masculine form also. Now when we are talking about feminine, we can use they and them here also. The girls have been to the cinema. Ask them if they enjoyed the picture. So here it is used in feminine. Now when we want to use they and them in neuter, we can use them like the books are on the table are mine. They have been, they have many beautiful pictures in them. So again, they and them are used in masculine, feminine and neuter gender. Now again, as we studied in singular and plural, that when the subject changes into plural, the predicate also changes. So here also the rule is saying when a noun changes from masculine to feminine, the pronouns in the sentence must also change. Like the king went into the hall. So king is changing into feminine and it is becoming queen. Okay. Now he ate his breakfast. So he and his are pronouns which are used for masculine gender. So when we are talking about feminine, he will change into she and his will change into her. So many examples are given here. So we can just read it out. His uncle is changing into her aunt. He again she. His again her. The father, the mother, son is changing into daughter. His brother, his will change into her and brother will change into sister. Actor will change into actress. He will change again into she and hero will change into heroine.